Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County, northern Cedar County, southwestern Dubuque County, northeastern Johnson County,
What is this?
Jones County, southeastern Delaware County, Linn County, northwestern Clinton County, until 5 p.m.
Looks like it's gonna impact this. It looks likely on
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending
going
from
east central and northeastern Iowa,
moving using 50 miles an hour.
including the Cedar Rapids area.
Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency
It's confirmed by emergency management.
are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar
Flash flood just issued for the city of Dubuque. Another flash flood for the city of Waterloo.
Mount Vernon, Monticello, Robbins, Cascade, Lisbon, Solon, Ely, Central City, Springville, Swisher, Loudon, Wheelan, and Olin. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 10 and 27. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for East Central Iowa. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WX.